Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike. This is an important announcement for Pauline, Jill. I've been me and Pauline have this biscuit obsession and I've been looking everywhere for these. So with an exception, because I don't normally show unrelated diamond painting things on the channel, but as an exception, Pauline, I found them! So these came from, I think it was it Home Bargains or Iceland's? I don't know. I don't know where I got them. I can't remember now because yesterday there was no video because it would have been the 19th of December because we ended up going Christmas shopping, me and my brother, and then he wanted to take me for a pint in Wetherspoons, and so yeah, we got a bit delayed, but I don't know where I got them, but they were a really nice price, £3.50, and I was like, oh my god, like that's a good bargain, because most of the shops around here are selling them for like £5, and I think that's a rip-off. But yes, finally, Pauline, I've got the selection, so I can't wait to dive in. That one there is the bomb.com. It's just my favourite solid thick chocolate, you know. So right, let's get into what we got from the range, because this is a range unboxing, and I came across some more Christmas cards, and in here it's probably a little bit too late now to do Christmas cards, but you know, we could probably whisk through them and then diamond paint them and save them for next year or something. I've still got to send a few out to people, but with the post stopping, it's going to be probably late that it turns up, but you know what, it is what it is. But I came across these because their Christmas section is quite very like small. They don't have a big range of things, so yeah, I got some of these, £1.99. Let's take a look in here and see what they look like. So yeah, wow. Now there will be a few more Temu unboxings for Christmas over the sort of weekend or so, because I'm filming this on Friday the 20th, purely because we've got a lot to cram in before the channel goes on a break. So I would like to get them in this side of Christmas rather than wait another year to show them. But yeah, inside here we have this lovely beautiful tree, which looks absolutely better. This looks a lot better than that other one because you can barely see the drills, and you can see here, you can see these drills with that no problem whatsoever. I love the fact that it's got like a stripe, because I think that would look very boring without, you know, detail on it. We've got some candy canes there, little bows, and we've got little balls, and even they've decorated the basket. Now if you looked at my community tab, oh my days, like I was shopping yesterday, and oh my god, like this tree had the most ginormous basket, and it just made me chuckle because like it was just like this massive tree, and it like the basket was as tall as a human. Like, why has it got to be so big? So anyway, that's our card here. Let's check the stick. Yeah, pretty good. And as I say, you've got a few different other balls. I like that pine cone thing. So that's really nice, and it's nice and thick as well. So that's our first one, and then it comes in a pack of two. I just saw this one. Look at that, snowflakes on the Christmas card. So Jenny, I can't remember what her channel's called now, but I'll tag you in the video. Jenny's been buying a lot of these cards, like Christmassy things from the range. She's just recently got a, you know, the Magical Express from that McNeil company. That's been bought as a gift, and she's wrapping it up for Christmas or something. Someone's bought it and she wants to do it for Christmas. So Jenny, you may see some of these, you know. Now they did have as well a selection of 4 different cards for £3.99, but they're not really doing it for me. I have to have the wow factor for me to buy it, and I went for these instead. But as you can see, nice and light, minty green on the edge there, and I like the little mini ones in there as well. So this is really, really lovely. You get yourself 2 beautiful quality envelopes here. These are nice and thick, none of that cheap tacky stuff. Really nice quality on these. So you get 2 of them. You also get yourself a diamond painting tray, as you can see, with wax and pen. And oh my god, like look at this. This is a super beautiful colour of drills, and I literally thought there was only 2 because it was wrapped like that. But we've got a white, we've got a sort of yellow, we've got a green, a red, classic Christmas colours there, and then we've got a sort of light blue, minty green, and a sort of reddy pink there. So these are absolutely beautiful, and yeah, probably could get them done in a day, but obviously it's a careful balance. I don't want to put too much on the channel where it just feels like it's crammed, you know, and you know it's too much in one day. I want to try and space it, but we've only really got 2 days before the sort of channel goes on a break, so it's going to be a tricky one how we manage to squeeze all this in. I'm still trying to pump projects through, but we're sort of now buying into next year. So let's put that to one side. The next thing that I got was, I'm going to save the best one until last, but you know, I recently posted this in, I think it was Sassy Sisters and Misters and Liz Harrison's group, and I saw this and I thought of Liz straight away. If you've ever watched Liz Harrison's channel, you know she loves her gonks, so I had to have this, and it's just, I'm not that big on gonks, but it was, you know, when it was, you know, you go shopping, you see it, and you're sort of like, do I, don't I? And then you go home, but then it's bugging you, and you're like, I should have got that. Well, I just had to get it. What I love about this is it's so red, and it's got that reef feel to it. So I think it's going to be really, really beautiful once done. Again, I probably won't get this done till next year, but, you know, you got to get it while you can, or they stop coming in, you know. This one comes with the lovely brackets again. But can you see that lovely white border? And then it just looks like a wreath with a gonk sitting in it. It's actually sitting, is that like a swing or something with the little red handle things there? But it looks like he's holding on to something. But yeah, you've even got his little shoes and a bow and the candy cane sort of hat. This is beautiful, people. And let's get into this and see. Whoops. There we go. So let's see how beautiful this one is. Yeah, I had to have it. So, because I was planning on going Christmas shopping anyway, and then my brother was like, well, I'll come with you because I've got to get a few bits. And then we went shopping and then ended up going to Wetherspoons for a nice cold pint, and oh, it was lovely. Oh wow, we've got loads of bags in this one. So let's just quickly get these out, and as you can see, lovely jubbly. Oh yeah, these are, I feel like this is going to be a really beautiful kit, so I can't wait. I always like to, it's nice as well, you know, when you open the box, they slide it out this way first, because they just know that it's going to look really nice on the back. I think that's why they do that. So yeah, I'm so over the moon I got this, and £5 was a really good price. So yeah, let's get into this here, and I need to look at the picture first, because like I need to see what this looks like. So we have the Shemetic on the side here. Again, what I tend to do is take a photo of that, because otherwise you keep flipping and turning the canvas over. But oh my god, look at that. Oh wow, that is a split image of what is there. Look, oh yeah, they've got that, because it always looks a bit pixelated, but then when you get it out, it's just in all its glory. That is definitely a wreath. This has got some beautiful colours in it. I absolutely love the white border on this, and I love the fact that it's got them really dark green leaves around the edge here. These look like little pine cones, because Francis was saying something about that on that Christmas tree, you know, the one with the fire and the rug. She was saying that the dark balls could have been like pine cones. What I love as well, it feels like a cardinal sort of vibe, you know, the bird colour of a cardinal, with the sort of berries here. You got the holly and the ivy there, sorry, the holly and the berries, and this beautiful, gorgeous bow. But what I don't understand is, what is he holding? Because that looks like a sack, but then he's got another thing there, like sort of holding, is that like a little backpack with a present? That looks like a present, because you've got the red and then the green on it. But this is absolutely superb, Liz. So, Liz, if you're watching, you so need to buy this, because I just know you're going to love it. It's just beautiful, isn't it? It's so Christmassy vibe, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. The stick on this is, yep, lovely stick there. But I tell you what, we've just have to do this. Like, I'm going to try my hardest to get this in for the end of the weekend, because I love it. I even love these little white dots in the bow. That's really going to pop that. And we've got a ginormous sort of, I don't know if that's part of the bow or whether it's a cherry or something, but this is absolutely gorgeous. Let's put that to one side for the minute. We've also got ourselves here obviously the brackets that you put on, and then obviously the little bags as well. So we've got that, and then these are our drills here. So pastel colours. I think it would have been nice if they did like crystal ones, like the shimmery ones, but never mind, you know. We mustn't complain because it's a beautiful kit. But that's that dark green reef colour for the leafy bits, and then we've got the brown and we've got the black, beautiful pink here, and then we've also got ourselves a red and a grey and another dark grey. I think that's like a greeny grey, and then a green, and then we've got probably a 3865, but then again it's really like pure white sort of thing, so it could not be. And then we've got like a sandy brown, another brown there, a green, a dark green, and by God, please be a 666. Tessa, you're going to have to help me here because, again, no DMC. I don't know why they don't do that, but looking at that colour there, it's probably a 666, which is the brightest red that one can get. Now, this was a last minute thing because what they do in the range is you've got at the upstairs in Chelmsford, you've got the back wall, and that back wall has all the diamond paintings on. If you go round the corner to over here, they do paint by numbers, and then there's a shelf over here that does more diamond painting bits, but like little key rings and stuff. And over this section, I could not believe it. I saw it, and I was like, I'm having this. I came across this. Look how cool that is. Sorry, my projects are getting in the way there. But oh my God, like I had to have this. I think they had a tree as well, but for $4.99, this is an LED crystal painting light. And yeah, something like that is going to take like probably about 20 minutes to do. So I reckon we can probably get that in for this year. It's always annoying, isn't it, when like they launch a few more bits before Christmas and then you don't get much use out of it until next year because it's like a new thing that you bought. But yeah, let's take a look at this. It's probably going to be the same as that skull light. I love the fact we're greeted with just the drills first. So in here we've got, oh yeah, look at that. Oh, wow, that's pretty big. Look at that. That's a nice size. Oh, I'm very happy with that. That's gorgeous. There will be like a film on here. But that, look at the detail, guys. That is absolutely crystal clear. And I was expecting that a little bit smaller, but that is impressive. I'm happy with that. Wow. And then in here, we've got ourselves a white tray. It's nice that these kits come with a white tray. We've got bags, pen, and a piece of wax. And then in here we do have, now if I remember rightly, you've got obviously in here a bit of a instructions manual, but if I remember rightly, and also just before we go into that, this would make a nice stocking filler or Christmas gift. So diamond painters will always be happy with diamond painting gifts, because we just love diamond painting, don't we? Now, if I remember rightly, you can either battery power this, you just take this clip off here, as you can see, and have it battery powered, or if you fancy plugging it into the wall, you do get yourself a micro SD cable here as well. And the idea is that you put that into there like so. I'm just gonna, have I got a plug available in here? No, I've took it next door. Oh, never mind. Have I got one? What clip is that? That's the SD. I haven't got an SD available, but you can put it in there. That will go in there, and then you need a USB plug to put in the back one. Quite surprised they're still doing these, actually, because nowadays they keep putting them onto a USB-C, which is like a flatter sort of one like that, but it's like a little bit wider. But yeah, look at that. And I reckon it will change different colours as well. I'm sorry, I've got to have a play with this, so I'm just going to pop next door and pinch the plug. And I want to see what colours are on this, so just give me a mo and I'll be back. So annoying, isn't it, when you've only got like the one plug, you've got to keep sharing the plug. So what you do, just get that out, we'll put this part goes into this end here, and we'll pop that in the wall. There we go, switch it on, and then obviously this part goes in the back here. And okay, so it's white. Now remember, in that skull one that we did, I was pressing it, but you can just go like that and change the colour. So it's like red, green, blue, white, yellow. Oh, that's a nice colour. And you can go back that way, or you can touch it like that. So it's optional. You can either go like this, swipe like that, and then obviously swipe backwards if you wanted to. But it is a touch, so you can see I'm not actually heavy pressing that. Don't know if it would do it there, but I'm just lightly, you know, swiping my finger across, and it's changing the colour, but obviously it will change in a minute. So if we just leave that like so, you can see it's sort of like changing colour now, and that really lights up the cheeks of it as well. That's pretty cool. And then you got the orange and the yellow, but yeah, that is a beautiful kit and I love it. So yes, something new that I saw. So let us know what your favourite is, guys. Hopefully we see it on your channel, Jenny, because I know you love the range. And so yeah, we've got the Gonk, the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. It's nice that this one's actually got a red nose, because that Rudolph painting that we did from Temu came with a black nose, and Rudolph is red nose. He always has a red nose. Like, yeah. And then obviously we got ourselves the diamond painting cars. So thank you very much for watching. That's probably my last range unboxing for the year now. The next range unboxing will now be in the new year. But yeah, I absolutely love this, and this will be on the channel on Saturday morning, which by the time you've seen this, it would already be Saturday morning. And yeah, over the weekend we'll sort of add a few more additional shows in, just to really sort of bring the diamond painting for Christmas to a close. Any projects that I've not been able to complete, that will roll over to next year. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. I do believe I've not shown you the drills. I do apologise. So these are the drills. So these are crystals here, and this is for that light that I just showed you. It's a gold, a sort of orangey colour. We've got a pink, sort of minty green, a green, oh, actually that's a pink, a bronzy colour, another bronzy colour, cherry red there, a silver and a black. So yeah, absolutely fabulous. I really love this. I can't wait to do that. I'm itching to get that started now. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. That's been the last of the range for 2024. We will see more of the range in 2025, which is only around the corner. We will be entering the new year fairly soon. But until then, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel and be a part of this diamond painting channel. You can also tap that notification bell. Very important to tap that, because if you don't tap it, you won't be notified. And then obviously you miss out, because I have had people that say I'm not getting your videos, and it's because you've turned that bell off. If you turn it off, I've done it before and I've accidentally turned it off, and I'm like, well, where's the videos that I used to watch with people's channels? Like, I can't see you know, people's content, and it turned out the bell was off. So yeah, very important. But you can tap that and be notified when a video pops up on the channel. That's it. Take care, and we will see you soon for Whip and Chatting. Bye.